Sai Ram children, welcome back to our maths class. So second standard children, get ready for revision. Formative assessment FA 4. Our topic is multiplication, division. Take out your notebook, write today's date 6-1-2021 2021. We will start the revision. I will read out the questions for you. You will see the options and you write the correct answer in your notebook. Okay? Multiple choice questions. So for your exam, choose the correct answer and click on it. Okay, for your exam you have to click on the correct answer. And now you write down the correct answer in your notebook. Question 1. When 63 is divided by 9, the quotient is, 3 options are there, A, B, C. Okay, 9, 6, 7. So the correct answer is, when you will divide 63 by 9, say the tables of 9. So the correct answer is 7. 9 sevens are 63. Okay, write down 7. Question 2. 15 multiplied by 10 gives 150, then 1500, 1515. So the correct answer is 150. Finished? Question 3. 45 into 3 equal to, question mark is there. Yes. Do the multiplication. 45 into 3. Yes. Do it. First do 5 3s are 15. Okay. And then 1 will be carried over. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So the correct answer is, 3 options are given. 239, 135, 840. So the correct answer is 135. Have you done the rough work? 45. Give multiplication sign and 3. So 5 3s are 15. Like this, carry over 1. Okay. Carry over 1 here. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Got it? Now question 4. 80 divided by 8 equal to what? What? Question mark is there. 8, 18, 10. 3 answers are given. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is 10. Okay. Now question 5. 7 times 7 equal to, say the tables of 7. 7 sevens are 49. Question 6. 220 into 2 equal to, question mark. Choose the correct answer. 440, 240, 480. Now try to do. What are you getting? The correct answer is 440. Do the rough work. Finished? Question 6. Written the correct answer. Now, question 7. Dash divided by 1 equal to 75. You can see the options. 1, 75, 0. So, what you have to write there? 75. Question 8. 842 divided by 842 equal to question mark. Options are 0, 842 and 1. So, what you have to write there? 1. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. All have finished till here? Now, question 9. After dividing 10 by 3, the remainder is options are 1, 3, 9. 3 options are given. What you have to do? Do the division. Yes, how you will divide? Make the box like this. Write 10 here. Divide by 3. Now say the tables of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. So, we will take 3 threes are 9. And then give the minus sign. And do the subtraction. 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. So, the remainder is 1. All have got the correct answer? Now, question 10. If dividend equal to 81, divisor equal to 9, then quotient equal to question mark is there. Now divide 81 by 9. Say the tables of 9. 9 nines are 81. So the correct answer is 9. Done? Now, question 11. There are dash days in 3 weeks. Your options are 7, 28, 21. Now, what you have to do? Now, first tell me how many days are there in 1 week? There are 7 days in 1 week. So, you have to find out here how many days are in 3 weeks. So, 7 into 3. Yes, 7 threes are 21. So, the correct answer is there are 21 days in 3 weeks. Okay. Write down 21. Understood? Question 12. An octopus has 8 arms. 9 octopuses will have dash arms. So, what you have to do? 8 into 9. Yes, 8 nines are. See the options? 56, 72, 81. So, the correct answer is 72. Noted? All have finished writing? Okay. Question 13. 102 into 4 equal to, question mark is there. Now do the multiplication. You do it yourself. Yes. 3 options are given: 408, 202, 418. So what are you getting? The correct answer is 408. Question 14. 2 into, then question mark is there, equal to 7 into 2 equal to 14. So look at the options: 14, 6 and 7. So the correct answer is 7. 2 sevens are 14 and 7 twos are is also 14. Finish writing the correct answers. Now question 15. When 36 is divided by 6, the divisor is, see the answers, see the options: 6, 5, 1. The question is, it is asking the divisor is. The divisor is 6. Question 16. When 54 is divided by 9, the dividend is dash. 8, 6 and 54. So the correct answer is, the dividend is 54. All have done till here? Now question 17. There are 20 bricks. How many bricks can be shared equally among 5 people? What you have to do? You have to divide 20 divided by 5. See the tables of 5. 5 fours are 20. So the correct answer is 4. Question 18. Raju sells 10 roses in a day. How many roses does he sell in a week? Again, you have to find out how many roses does he sell in a week. So you have to do, in a week there are 7 days. So 10 into 7 is how much? 17? No. 10 into 7 is 70. The correct answer is 70. Understood, children? Read the question properly and then do it. Question 19. There are 20 pencils in a box. How many pencils are there in 3 such boxes? So, what you have to do? You have to do multiplication. 20 into 3. Do it. See the options. Which one is the correct answer? 4, 60, 6. The correct answer is 60. 20 into 3 is 60. Question 20. Manav had 18 flowers and 3 vases. How many equal number of flowers can be put in each vase? So the options are 6, 8 and 54. So what you will do? You have to divide 18 by 3. 3 6 are 18 and the correct answer is 6. Finished till here? All have completed? Okay. Question 2, the part 2. Click the correct option for fill in the blanks. Now question 21. The product of a number and 0 is always. The options are 1, 0, equal. So the correct answer is 0. Done. Question 22. The number by which we divide is the dash. Options are dividend, quotient, divisor. So the correct answer is divisor. Okay, finished. Question 23. When we divide 0 by any number, the answer is dash. 3 options are 0, 10 itself. So the correct answer is 0. Question 3, the part 3. Click the correct option T or F, true or false. Question 24, 36 into 2 equal to 72. Now do it yourself. Check the answer. It is correct. It is true or false. If you are getting the correct answer, then it is true. So what did you get? After multiplying 36 into 2, you are getting 72. Then it is true. Done? Question 25. 45 divided by 5 equal to 8. Say the tables of 5. So you are getting 8. After dividing 45 by 5, you are not getting. So it is false. Question 26. A number multiplied by 10 ends with 0. True or false? It is true. Okay. Question 27. 12 divided by 4 equal to 6. True or false? Say the tables of 4. So 4 6s are 12. No, 4 3s are 12. So the answer is false. Question 28. 25 into 3 equal to 136. Now multiply. Do the multiplication. Yes, true or false? It is false. You are not getting 136, no? It is false. Okay. Now come to question 29. 38 into 2 equal to 76. Again do the multiplication. See, you are getting correct or wrong answer. True or false? It is true. Question 30. 20 divided by 5 equal to 5. Say the tables of 5. No, it is 5 4s are 20. So this is false. It is written 5. So it is false. Okay, children? So, study for your exam. Practice. Okay? All the best. Thank you. Bye, children.